If you need intense moisturizing and all kinds of anti-aging benefits, you got to try the Repair Skinback Capsules. Look how beautiful this is. It looks almost like it should come from outer space. And then it also comes with the little applicator. Okay, here we go. When you open it up, it's these little pearls in there. So we're gonna take 1 to 2 of them. They're very kind of soft, slimy, and very spreadable. So really just like almost like a cream that's been put into a pearl form. That's what it looks like. And then we can just start applying that. Now you could use this to really apply it, or again, you could just use your hands. That's what I'm gonna do. Nice light scent on this. Now this has all kinds of really cool things that it does. So it has activated collagen to help with any sort of wrinkling and kind of plumping your skin. It helps with whitening and brightening your skin. I'll use it here on my chest area as well. And then it helps remove activated oxygen from your skin, which I didn't even know was a thing, but I'll take that. Wow. It really feels like it gave it a good glow and almost an instant firmness to it. So this is amazing. I used 2 of them. It's pretty heavy duty and it's absolutely just stunningly beautiful as well. So I think you're gonna love this.